We will discuss importance of CAD, because if I go directly, once again I'm telling you, if I go directly to the syllabus, only I can give information about theory concepts of winding diagram, but we need some like CAD importance. So at a computer aided electrical drawing, how you will be drawing diagrams and all inside the CAD software. Okay, let's see one by one. So to top 10 reasons to move from AutoCAD to AutoCAD electrical. Okay, one minute. Okay, and comprehensive symbol libraries. So for example, already you studied in the fourth semester and second third semester transformers and generator subject, and electric motor subject in the fourth semester, transmission and distribution in the fourth semester, and also power generation and economics in the fourth semester, right? So each and every concepts in the electrical, or each and every components, or whichever we are discussing, I mean we already studied concepts, we are representing by using a symbols, right? If suppose generator is there, means having one symbol, right? And transformer is having symbol, lightning arrestor, wave trap, and this one potential transformer, current transformer, circuit breakers, and bus coupler, buses, and outgoing lines, incoming lines, generating stations, having different symbols. For that symbols, like different symbols we can have here in the AutoCAD software. Okay, automatic wire numbering and component tagging. See, in the automatic wire numbering, suppose number of lines will be there. Like one line will be there. I made around 100 lines. For 100 lines, we want to keep numberings or namings, right? For that also automatically you can do by selecting one line with the dimensions. Definitely it will go all the lines. Okay, automatic project reports. See, if you created some wiring project, okay, or wiring diagram for your project, or like for any plans and all. Okay, so if you type something like the designing data and all, directly the project report will be generating, because everything is made as automation and everything is like completely programmed, right? So automatic project reporting also possible, and real-time error checking. So we can check error also if suppose 10 years back you have done plannings, so by using any other softwares, or handwritten or freehand sketch and all. For that also we can check the errors by implementing here in the AutoCAD software. So real-time coil referencing. So real-time coil, if suppose coil opening, closing, or when exactly the coil opens, and also the coil contacts happened or not, that also we can use this cross referencing. And create smart panel layout drawing. So smart panel layout drawing also, if suppose, okay, layout, which one is layout? Drawing one building layout diagrams. Okay, layout diagrams is one veranda, one bathroom, or one kitchen, one toilet room, one bedroom, or number of bedrooms and all. So that for that layout panels, smart panel layout we want for drawing. Okay, you can do by using this one. And electrical specific drafting features. So specific drafting, specific signal diagrams, or layout diagrams, or whatever. And automatically create PLC input output drawing from the spreadsheet. So automatically data can be generated. Okay, automatically it will create. If suppose this many dimensions is this many measurement they'll give. So for that we want some data by using spreadsheet. We can, that also possible. Share drawing with the customers and suppliers. So major thing is you can share drawing, this diagram or plannings into the customers and suppliers also. Okay, and reuse existing drawing. So you can use existing drawing. If you made a drawing for the building, if suppose for example our college drawing is there, if you want to implement something, if you want to change something, how you will be implementing based on the drawing. If you can use a drawing, and then you can increase the this one number of floors and all, or number of lighting systems also. If suppose you are using at present this one like projectors, but you can use that we can convert into some other smart rooms, right? Or I like that only. And reason one, comprehensive symbols libraries to quickly build a standard based control based AutoCAD electrical drive symbol libraries based on the international standard JEC, IEC, GBI, JIS, AOS automated insert components or processes. Okay, and insert components, the dialog box is like this. And next we have automatic wire numbering and components tagging. See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, so on up to infinity, not infinity, particularly 100, 200 will be there. So for that also we are having AutoCAD electrical drives, reference or sequence based numbering, flexible numbering formats, automatical adds suffix to duplicates and all, and automatic project report. So bill materials from to right list, cable list, terminal report, much more we can do by using this customer needs, based on the customer needs, like automatic project report. And reason for customer needs and real-time error checking. So design, audit, repair, utility, automatic notification, duplicates, resolution, suggestions and all. Okay. Next, create smart panel layout drawing. Like this I can draw. Like this we can draw like a panel and all. This is a panel, like PLC panels and all, panel circuit panel and all. We can use this AutoCAD also. And electrical specific drafting features, customer needs. It is slash design time using command specific for the electrical control designer. AutoCAD electrical drive delivers specialized features such as trim wire, copy and delete the components, or circuit, scoot and align components. Okay. And next we have automatic PLC input output drawings. So eliminate customer needs if suppose redundant task involved in designing PLC input output system. AutoCAD electrical delivers automatic PLC input output drawing generation from the spreadsheet, and PLC input output addresses and description report exported PLC programming, right? And share drawing and track changes. So usually share drawing downstream users like drawing files compatible with the downstream AutoCAD LT users, ability to track the report changes. And finally reuse existing drawing. So you can use existing drawing into the your needs. Okay, so we can do directly and then very easily, very high speed. Okay, and this is how the figure looks like. AutoCAD electrical workspace for AutoCAD electrical drawing. And these are tools, these are the tools we are using in the AutoCAD. And electrical components here, see, you can check here, generator, transformer, everything is available. Okay, or everything symbols are available. So these symbols we are using. Okay. And components range changing, you can change components range also by changing the data. Okay. And finally, a simple diagram drawn in AutoCAD electrical. For your reference, I have given one simple diagram for understanding purpose. See here, incoming lines, outgoing lines, and also this is like a 3-point star to delta starter diagram, right? So there is a motor present, and this is a overall single line diagram. This is this one is a circuit diagram, I mean single line diagram. This is a like wiring diagram. Okay, wiring diagram, how exactly it behaves, right? So this is how we are using this AutoCAD software. Thank you so much. Next class, let's start with the syllabus, that is winding diagram. Okay.